Hello everyone, thank you for watching IAI Live. This is Danny. Today we're glad to have our product manager, Jason Gao, with us.
Hi Danny, hi everyone.
Hi Jason. Don't forget to leave your comments below. We will have Q&A time later on for you guys. Okay, so hey Jason, we're going to let everyone knows more about our medical box PC. To start off, would you like to introduce IAI's history, specifically in medical solutions?
Sure. IA has been dedicated in medical product development in the past 10 years. We have a subsidiary company called Brightman. And Brightman is a medical solution provider. So we, IEI, provide them the hardware knowledge to help Brightman develop their product. So I can say I have full experience with designing medical devices.
Okay. So what have you seen in the market, and what are the reasons that you design a brand new medical box PC for our potential customers?
Okay, I think there are two major points. The first one, global population aging issue has become more serious these days. So the demand of medical device and product is higher. And the second, with more new medical device in the market, so data integration also becomes more important than before.
Okay, data integration, this is something new to our audience. What are the possible applications in the hospitals?
Okay, Director, can you show us the application image, please? Thank you. So when surgery begins, related personnel will check patients' history and surgery to-do lists in the past. Medical personnel usually just use paper chart or regular commercial laptop to do the confirmation. And I got three applications here. First, when patient is sent to the emergency room, medical personnel usually will take high-resolution photo of patient's injured part. And then before operating the surgery, doctor will determine the wound condition by checking those high-resolution like 4K image. And second, in operating room, this system, HTV100, can play an integration role to collect information from device and analysis those data. And third, HTV100 can be also used in an environment control system, something like a surgery room or the emergency room, ICU, etc. So by monitoring the temperature, humidity, light, or like a hospital bed, and so on.
Okay, so do we have the product here with us today?
Yes. Director, can we show? Today we have. I have a product on my left hand. So
Jason, please show us what's so special about this product and also the design.
Okay. From the exterior, our heatsink is designed on the bottom, so it prevents dust and also determine the flat top cover for easy cleaning. So we must consider the system installation and isolation in the beginning of product development stage. So IEI also provide customer a cable cover which shell from liquid that might spray on connector directly.
Okay, what about the functionalities?
So I think from functionality part, we have 4 COM ports here. We follow a medical grade design which support the 4 kV isolation. Okay. And we have 2 independent displays. One is VGA, the other one is lockable HDMI. Especially for HDMI, this port support HDMI 2.0. And like I mentioned before, the doctor usually use this kind of display to show the high resolution image. And let's see the rear I/O on the back. HTV100 has one PCIe by 16 expansion slot. So it usually used for something like an add-on card or the capture card for medical image inspection during the surgery. And inside the system, we have 2 different kinds of expansion slots. One is M.2, is for Wi-Fi purpose. The other one is for PCIe Mini. You can use mSATA to do the storage.
Okay, you just mentioned this medical certification. We also know that medical certification IEC 6061 has just released the 4th version. So what are the impacts globally?
Okay, for the designing, in the beginning of design our product, we'll follow the safety compliance, normally in the US market or the EU market. Something like the IEC, like you mentioned, IEC 60601.1, and in the US market, they force the medical quality to be past those safety compliance. They start from April 1st, 2017. And in EU market, start from January 1st, 2018. So let's say we design our product in very strict rule, especially in we'll consider about the design at the beginning of the product development.
Okay, so that is to say the HTB 100 is designed to meet the latest version of IEC 6061.
Yeah.
One of the applications can be information management in ICU, emergency room, and operating room.
Exactly.
Okay, so are there any questions for us? Leave your comments below. We can answer your questions right away.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. It's not there. Okay, we got the first question here. So what's the power input range?
Okay, I didn't mention that. Let me turn the product into front. So the power range support the 12 to 28 volt, the wide range.
Okay, so it's wide range 12 to 28
volt.
Okay, let's see. The second question we have here is why do we design it in white?
I think there are two reasons. Usually hospital, if you think about a hospital, usually we will think about white. So white color represents the hospital. And the second, if you use white color, it's easy to clean because if there's any dirt on the top, you can see the dirt, so you can clean it.
Okay, so we can spot the anything not clean when it's white.
Exactly.
Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, the third questions we have here. Besides the capture card, are there any other cards we can use with this system?
Let's see. Like I just mentioned, this system supports PCIe by 16 expansion slot. So any card can fit in this dimension. So we can use in this system, but we have to think about the thermal issue. So and the application. So usually in the hospital or in the medical any medical situation or the area, we usually use something like capture card for image inspection.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Are there more questions we have here?
Let's see.
I think that's pretty much all we have for now.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching My Guide Live. Stay tuned with us.
Thank you.